abantu ukuthi bayathengisa naye. Siyakubona ebusuku wena Kelly. Hamba nabo taxi driver.
Uhambe ebusuku lama taxi driver. Yayi. Ngiyakutshela. Uhamba lama taxi
Sisekake.
drivers. Unimuzwa kanjani ntwana yayinkulu yayincane yayingachazi.
Awiphethe.
Uyiphethe. Mara wamuzwa yena. Aliyazambukeli ziyathatha uthi wamuzwa uthi uyiphethe. Hey Janko, to recording my Wheezy but we still going on. Mageba ne. Why is it that abantu bacabangela ukuthi u-iconic Wheezy uyibaby daddy yomntanakho? But we still going on. Asibaniki chance. So lena like what's the thing about into yabafana behlala beliclaim ukuthi balala lani khathi yini special ngani?
Fusekwe. Ubuso bomnyama.
So when she loves Mageba ntwana khari why bethi udayisa umzimba wena uvela unje?
I'm scared, but I'll tie the liver.
So ntwana ngumama uhlezi la. Hey, let's Zambukeli. Zambukeli, we back again with another latest epic episode. And Bafetu ngihamba lo Cindy lo She Loves Mageba Bafetu, as you can see them on the camera. Bafetu lama accounts abuthi rinsange. So no wasting time, She Loves Mageba uke waba busy nobani kuma iconics.
No, iconic Wheezy.
Iconic Wheezy.
Yeah.
So bekwenzakalani ra ntwana?
Obvious, but we one night stand.
Yeah, so Island umnye bekuba bekunguwe oyena.
Yeah.
So uyizwa approach wena. So like kwahamba njani ntwana uthi like ezebamba umuntu onjengawe?
Ayicabanga because ngifike ngomngane wami lapha yabo. So manje masifika lapha yabo kaya ngicela bo. And then saba on indaba yethu.
Ngizwa Bafethu ziyathatha Mbukeli u-iconic Wheezy Bafethu nguye Bafethu owabamba lapho Bafethu njengoba Bafethu libona. So wena ntwana what can you say about indaba yabo ntwana sindisiwe sini?
Hayi obviously let's scheme lesa amakhaya ngokubona kwami. Yonke insiphi yawasha.
Yo, aliyeza Bafethu ziyathatha Mbukeli but we still going on. But how come ntwana wena She Loves Mageba bathi wena kwasha steering isandla?
Iqiniso.
So beso hambe kanjani ntwana bese kakucela kusebusuku isilala oloba?
Oh yes, besisemkhulwini sonke yabo. Besileli ngama iconic bona basdonsa. Babaqeda ukusdonsa uStern ngicela ngamtshela ukuthi hayi ngifuna.
Akho interested. Aliyeza Mbukeli ziyathatha but we still going on. Sindi kwenzakalani phakathi kwakho lo nkunzi? Kodwa shiwa uNkulunkulu.
Hayi mara like obvious guys, ayikho enzakalile nekimi nomkunzi. Khona lo busuku lo obvious uChina bekeze kimi. Makeza kimi uthi ucela ukuloga obvious. Ucela ungena Facebook. Ngiyamlogisa. Mangicela ukumlogisa kanti utexta unkunzi which is now China. Utexta unkunzi umtshela ukuthini ngifuna ukuza nosisi wami sizoyenza isitresama. That's when unkunzi uyayi-screenshot ayiposta ku Facebook. Ngabona ngama notifications sengiphela.
Sisekake.
Ngithola kwaba into enjalo. Waba kugeli kankunzi uyangitext unje ukuthi ngihlukane nonkunzi ngiyamtshela ukuthi unkunzi mara ngizomenza guys unkunzi akanje mara. Yo ya into enzakele leyo. Naye la khona hlalazi nangumuntu omtextile angazothi mina yenyamlandelela akanje mara abaningi abafana wena yo usekugcineni yo.
Aliyeza Mbukeli ziyathatha Mbukeli but we still going on. So Bafethu, what would you like to tell me Bafethu ubani isifebe seCastle Bafethu busy kakhulu namadida?
Ngiyamkhetha uKmakulu.
Ngubani ntwana?
Ngiyamkhetha uKmakulu.
Ngwavalo ntwana wenza ngani?
Fanele uya like
like what? Unjani?
Isifebe kakhulu.
Yaspeeda ntwana.
Ngamanye amagama uthi uyalisaphaza. No prettiest Malenda.
Prettiest ba?
Malenda.
Malenda. hali yazambukeli ziyathatha mbukeli kodwa bona bathini lapha bakhona but we still going on. So wena She Loves Mageba ntwana khari why bethi udayisa umzimba wena uvela unje?
Because of ngizela eJozi every time umntwana mncane lethe baqala ukuthi ngithengisa umzimba and bangazojwayela amasiko.
Yo, so ma wena wahamba njani ntwana uthi like beze bekushiye ne username eka She Loves Mageba?
It's obvious indaba zemkhubo so.
No ngithanda ugroove kakhulu.
Hayi yena uchitela mina ngichitela yena kuqala so let's angishiye ngizalwe. Hayi nakho ngikhuluma manje ngitshela. Ugayi obvious ukhuluma manje ubhizi uthi uyamthanda uChina uyamthanda. Kanti kuphi? Mangimtshela uChina ukuthi bayakuchitela. Athi hayi ngiyamthanda noma njalo. So bamshiya nge-username. Ugayi sekathola omunye umuntu so uChina akasakwazi ukususa username sekumele amele 60 days ona leyo. Njalo.
So wena vele untwana lo mntwana vele?
Yeah.
Oyi1. So ntwana ngumama uhlezi la? Hey lezo mbukeli ziyathatha mbukeli but we still going on. Asibaniki chance. So lena like what's the thing about into yabafana behlala beliclaim ukuthi balala lani khathi yini special ngani?
Yo. Esikhona lento okujuthana esikimini. Le ukuthi ngizombambe ngizomudla manje hayi.
Olina liyajuthana esikimini lithi lizabamba abafana libadle.
Hayi abafana khona lento ukuthi manihlelo uyazi bayaplana ukuthi lo kalo sibayiplanile lo hamba nalo. So kuba nento ukuthi umuntu umshaya isandla sikathulele nawe ahamba thina abantu. Kodwa ikoto ye10 rand. Nalabo abafuna ukudlela amakoto ye10 rand.
Obakhona abadlela amakoto ye10 rand? Abafuna. Yo, so into ezenzakala eKasleni. Hey. Ayazambukeli zathatha but we still going on. Hey. So She Loves Mageba ne. Why is it that abantu bacabangela ukuthi uIconic Wizzy uyibaby daddy yomntanakho?
Unkonzo usho kanjalo athi uma Wizzy baby daddy yami. Cabanga umuntu kanje, umubi kanje ayisisi mina ngizongijwayela.
Mara yena vele ntwana yena uma Wizzy wayeshisa noma
mina ntwana ngazi.
Na wena akuzwa kwakho ntwana inti wena wawusembedini.
So wena ngokumuzwa kakho like umuzwa njalo.
Unimuzwa kanjani ntwana yayinkulu yayincane yayingachazi? Uyiphethe. Mara wamuzwa yena. Aliyazambukeli ziyathatha uthi wamuzwa uthi uyiphethe. Hey Janko to recording my Wizzy but we still going on. So abafethu ngobani abadlelwa iflavor eKasleni like abadliwa ngeflavor amantombazana.
Okay, mina ngimazi ne username bad Momo. Ngiyokala. Ulibone. Chris Malenda. Jepiso Marubi. Yeah, labo nje.
Yo.
Ngikamkhethi khema khulu.
Yo. Aliyazambukeli ziyathatha but we still going on. So abafethu like from laba abadliwa ngama flavor lanjani into ezihlukeneyo abadayisayo bona official eKasleni ngoba okulama ingafika ndilambile yafiyanthengi.
Mina umuntu amazi uKasleni ngikamkhethi khema khulu. Mina ukiyabethu which is ulonke wezaba.
Ukwabuya kuze yathatha mbukeli?
Yeah.
Wawuhlala phansi kuze yathatha mbukeli? Wazithathisa? Hey.
She's ubiza abantu ukuthi bayathengisa naye. Siyakubona ebusuku wena Kelly. Hamba nabo taxi driver.
Uhambe ebusuku lama taxi driver. Yayi. Yayi. Ngiyakutshela. Uhamba lama taxi driver ebusuku. Yo, aliyazambukeli ziyathatha bathi sebedayisela bo ma taxi driver yini kathi yini? iFacebook yazicela ndizibambe. Ziyathatha mbukeli but we still going on so like ngobani abogele abajayele ukulala namatisha esikolweni zini?
Kelo cala ngimazi ngithando. Sibale ngabani? Mangikabindi Facebook.
Yo.
Nobani mina? Hey. Aleke mangitawani kila kwa balele kampo. Lo
Katlipu. Aliyazambukeli ziyathatha so my hey kodwa hey Ziyathatha mbukeli. Bona bogeli nje ababhizi ngohamba befakela abantu idrop ngobani.
Number 1 protest Mandela. Yeah, uyesimaziyo bathi skimini ushile like. Ushi stem side yabo. Skimini sonke abaphatha. Ngenxa yakho girl.
Try igama leskin.
Ama
Black Jacks. Aliyezwa mbukeli ziyathatha but we still going on. So lina guys lina lo ithiwa likaze maybe lidlela namadodo wenzakalani? Iqali ntwana iqala ayisusi.
Obvious umngane wami nyamaza yabo. Umngane wami bamba ifone nje phambi kwakhe. Wanza abona username yomuntu wakho. Hlanwazi kuphelile. Uzothi wena uyovakashela umuntu wakho umthola khona.
Maka ifundodo yakho iyangifuna indlela ngisho isandla. Ngisho isandla na. Iyangifuna. Obvious ngizomsiza hawo.
Wona uzosiza emhlabeni emfoni yakho.
Yeah, ayingana masha isandla.
Aliyezwa mbukeli ziyathatha bathi yena vele uzosiza kashaya isandla. So mara kodwa nantwana why wena usiza umuntu womngane wakho ukwazi ukuthi yena ujola naye wena uzomgayeze yakhe ikuku.
Nami ngifuna ukumuza ukuthi unjani.
Uzafuna isalele move. Ziyathatha mbukeli ufuna testa wonke amapipi. So wena So ntwana ne so wena ntwana yini what's the reason behind ekwenza wena ube kanjena like what made you become that at the end of the day yini la bayakuthathela indoda yini
Phela bamthatha amadoda.
so bebethini ma kade bekuthathela amadoda istory ade sisithini behind
And beside that like angazi maybe home situation yakhe. Yemenze ayenze kanje ngithola.
lo endlini badubeka balamba vele
Like angazi ungasena nani but it's like yabo. So maybe sex ngoba yena ukuthi une sex ayibe high.
Mina ngi-sexual active vele.
no uyayithanda sex
Keep stress.
hey you keep it stress nge-sex so my favorite position yakho yini sisters
Women on top.
women on top sayakwazi kuyigibela ziyathatha mbukeli lezi uthi uthanda women on top nje owala imbona uthi unjani hey ubuzele ekhapini efileyo but we not there so ntwana like wena ucabanga ukuthi like per week ungalala labantu abangaki ntwana uyifuna kangaki 2
Ngidakiwe verse
2 ntwana Aliyeza so bafethu on open mic like on free space what would you like to say kuntwana lezi ezilidelelayo loba ubani lapha elisuka khona o imessage elifuna ukuyifaka istage sesingesenu nazi
Mina ngikokukhuluma nalaba bafana base-South. Laba bangivalela bangishout usuku bonke. For ikhekhe nje. Bangishaya ngempama yazini. Bese skiming ngisikhohle shame.
Mina ngifuna ukungishela ukuthi babafuna ukudla umngane wami. And lo muntu lo bayaqeda ukudla mina. Jeletha ngindlela.
Ikhona into elingafuna ukuyisho guys before siva
Nalaba babhifa nuts which is abomalenda.
Ngiphifa nabantu abavamisha.
Yazini misimosheni isikhathi
Yo.
yo.
Hayi shem.
Yazini.
Aliyeza bafethu ziyathatha mbukeli stay tuned bafethu for the next upcoming episode bafethu you might never know mbukeli kusasa kuyabe kunguwe khona bafethu don't forget to follow them bafethu as you can see them ngumafezane bafethu see you on the next coming episode emaduzane danko